we are going to be working on the tractor box card. I think it's going to be pretty simple to put together. There aren't too many pieces. I've cut mine to look like a John Deere tractor. When my son was younger, he loved a John Deere tractor. He just went crazy about it. So I think we'll start here with our insert. And there's just two pieces we need to add to the insert. One is the muffler, and then the seat. Okay, so that's your insert. These two pieces, this is for your sentiment on the back. So you just want to layer these. And then we've got the tractor itself. So you just want to fold your tabs. And I'm going to go ahead and put these together. I'm going to stand it up just so that I can be certain. So I'm using my table as my level. Just want to make certain that I apply that in the right, put that in the right place. So this is going to be the back, this is the front. So I'm just going to put this here. You just want to center that. Oops. And then these two squares here are going to go there and there. And then this just lines right up to the top, just like this. Okay. So this edge is going to be level here with this edge. And I just have to be careful because if I were to touch this someplace other than where it goes, you know how glue leaves those marks on your black. Okay, so you can see that's pretty simple. And then you have this odd shaped piece. Well, that's the headlight, and you just want to find how it fits the curve there on the front. Just like that. And now our wheels. The smaller one is going to go in the front. And you just want to center that on just like that. Go. Do the same with the other. I'm trying to be careful when I lay it down so that I'm not smearing the glue on any part of my black that's going to show. And so that's that simple. And then we're going to take the insert, go ahead and fold your tabs, and then I open them back up flat, and we're just going to set this down inside, and we're going to glue this tab. So you glue it out straight, and you're putting it right up against the side. And then when you fold the side over, it's gluing to the side piece here because you have it open flat, so it's gluing. And then it glues in the right spot. You get it straight. I really like this method for putting together box cards. It's made the process much simpler for me. I always struggled getting it inside once I had the card closed up, making sure it was straight and that it was attaching to the right spot. This way it does. So now I'm folding it. Here's the tab, and then I'm folding it to the tab. Then I'm going to bring this over, and I'm going to glue it here. So I'm just going to put glue here on this tab, and it's going to glue it over here. It's kind of hard to see with all these dark colors here. So you want to lay your side down flat. And sometimes you do need to move it up or down. Whoops. And we're going to fold it back. Then I'm going to put glue here on this tab. I'm going to go ahead and close it up. Again, I'm going to fold it both ways. And then there is the tractor box card. Thanks for joining me.